Hello guys, it's Sri Akaal and welcome back to my channel, Palki. Hey yo people, what's up with you all? And thank you so much for such an overwhelming response that you guys gave on my channel. So lately I have been getting many a DMs regarding how much does it cost to live in UK, how much is the house rent, etc, etc, etc. So this vlog is particularly for all those people who have been in a search for the same. So here we go. Also I am planning to vacate this place, so that is why before vacating the house completely, I just wanted to give you all the house tour of this house. Let's dive into the video. Also guys, please don't judge me on the basis of the mess that I have created in the room, because I have completely packed my stuff which is laying all over here. So please don't judge me on that. Stop. So this is my house and let's get into the house. So for all those people who don't know, my house is a 3 BHK house. Here we enter. The first room is of my roommate, and the second room is a hall. After the hall comes the kitchen. So let's move to the kitchen. Here is the kitchen where I make the vlogs as well. Here is a look for our courtyard. And now let's move to the courtyard. And on the first landing there comes the bathroom. So we have a single bathroom for 3 people, and this is the bathroom. Move on to my room. Hi guys. Now this is my room and this is my roommate's room. So let's go into my room. And ta-da! Oh my god, didn't expect this, right? So this is my room. Guys, let me show you the view from my room. It's so amazing. So this was the tour of my house. Pretty small, but I'm satisfied with it. Now coming to the expenses for the house. So the rent for this house, including the electric supply and the heating, comes around to be 930 or 900 pounds. So thereby 300 to 310 pounds per person. But the rent of the house totally depends on the area you live. In my case, my house is just opposite to my university. But on an average, you will definitely find a lot better room in the same range if you go only a little far away from the city center. My house is around 15 to 20 minutes walk to city center and hardly 5 minutes walk to the main university. Moreover, if you are willing to have a house in a city center with a luxury, then it will cost you around 400 to 450 pounds, but in that budget you'll literally get so luxurious room, which is actually cheaper if you compare it from the other countries in UK. This is the price range of a room in Northern Ireland, especially in Belfast. If you'll compare it from London or the main of the England, the prices just get doubled. If you are willing to have a separate room in London, it will definitely cost you around 700 to 800 for a single person. You could obviously reduce it by sharing your room with someone else, but this is the actual price range for a single person in London. Moving on to the other expenses, it actually depends from person to person, but on an average, it will take around £100 per month for a single person, which majorly includes the food. Besides this, if we talk on the transportation expense, then it comes around £50 if you always travel on a bus. If you do not have a habit of walking, then it's surely gonna get you for £50 if you travel via bus, and I guess even 100 if you travel from a cab. And including this, all of the expenses are covered. So if you wanna lead a luxurious life, then you could go for around £500 for a monthly expenditure. But in my case, I do try a lot to cover it in around 400 by reducing the transportation. This is the expenditure of a single person in Northern Ireland or Scotland or Wales or such nearby country. But if you are mainly focused to go in England, then your price range will definitely get doubled. If you want to settle all of your expenses in England in this range, then you surely have to share your room with someone else. But the prices which I said right now is without the sharing in all these countries. So that's it. And this is it for this video. I hope that I answered all of your questions and queries. And please do not hesitate to ask any such questions. I'll be more than happy to make another vlogs for all those queries. Also, please guys don't forget to like, share and subscribe on my channel. And thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.